Most AI side hustles are fake, but 3 of them are quietly paying people every single week in 2026. I tested them. Here's what actually works. AI didn't replace side hustles. It changed who wins. In 2026, the people making real, consistent money aren't necessarily coding experts or marketing gurus. They're the ones who are using the right AI tools in the smartest way. They understand a fundamental truth. Clients don't buy the process, they buy the result. It's not about being a tech wizard, it's about being a problem solver. These 3 methods are prime examples of that shift. They're not get-rich-quick schemes. They are solid, repeatable business models powered by accessible AI. And they're working right now. Let's start with the first one. AI-powered content services for clients. Think about it. Every small business, every local shop, every online entrepreneur needs written content. They need blog posts to attract customers, email campaigns to keep them engaged, and product descriptions that actually sell. But here's the thing, they don't want to hear about AI. They don't care about prompts or large language models, they want results. They want more traffic, more leads, and more sales. This is where you come in. People are using tools like ChatGPT and Claude not just to generate text, but to build entire content packages. They're not selling AI writing services, they're selling business growth packages or monthly content plans. A coffee shop doesn't want an AI-generated blog post. It wants an article titled, "The 5 Best Local Coffee Spots to Work Remotely," which brings new people through its doors. You can use these AI tools to do the heavy lifting, the research, the drafting, the outlining. Your job is to refine it, add a human touch, and align it perfectly with the client's brand and goals. The client gets a high-quality result that helps their business, and you get paid for delivering that value. They don't care how the sausage is made, as long as it's delicious. Now for the second hustle, which has absolutely exploded. Faceless short-form videos using AI voice and visuals. You've seen these channels all over your feeds. They focus on motivation, finance tips, historical facts, or even simple quote compilations. The creators behind them are often completely anonymous. They never show their face or even use their own voice. How? They use incredible AI tools like ElevenLabs to generate a realistic, professional-sounding voiceover. You can literally type a script, choose a voice style, calm, energetic, authoritative, and get a perfect audio track in seconds. Then, they pair that audio with visually engaging clips. You can find stock footage, but what's even more powerful now are AI video generators within apps like CapCut. You can create abstract animations, stunning landscapes, or dynamic visual sequences that match the tone of your audio. No camera equipment is needed. No complex video editing skills are required. The AI handles the technical side, allowing you to focus on creating compelling content. The beauty of this model is its scalability. One viral short can bring in thousands of followers, and that audience can be monetized through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. It can literally feed a channel's growth for months. The third side hustle is one that people often overlook because they think it's too technical, building websites with AI. Every local business, from the plumber and the bakery to the freelance consultant, still needs a professional online presence. In the past, this meant learning to code or paying a developer thousands of dollars. Not anymore. AI website builders like Durable or Framer AI have changed the game completely. You can now generate a full functional website in minutes just by answering a few simple questions about the business. These tools can create entire layouts, write initial copy, and even integrate features like contact forms and booking systems automatically. You're not selling code, you're selling a solution. You can approach a local restaurant and offer to build them a simple, elegant website with their menu and an online reservation system. Using an AI tool, you can have a working draft ready to show them in under an hour. You charge a fair price for the setup and maybe a small monthly fee for maintenance. For you, it's a few hours of work. For the business owner, it's a professional online presence they desperately needed but couldn't afford or didn't have the time to build. It's a win-win. Simple sites, real money. So why do these 3 methods work so well when so many others fail? Here's the secret no one really tells you about making money with AI. AI itself doesn't make you rich. Distribution does. It's not about having the most advanced AI model. It's about getting the solution you create in front of the right people. The winners in this new economy aren't necessarily smarter, they're faster. They use AI to eliminate bottlenecks and deliver value to the market more quickly and efficiently than ever before. They identify a need, use AI as a powerful lever to create the solution, and focus their energy on finding the clients or the audience who will pay for it. That's the real pattern here. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and get weekly updates on AI tools and strategies that are actually making people money, subscribe to my newsletter, Free AI Tools HQ. There's no hype, no fluff, just real tools and actionable insights to help you build something real. Thanks for watching.